I'm meteorologist Katie Blake. This is your weather current update for Wednesday, March 4th. Time to get into that spring storm mindset. We've got daily chances of rain and thunderstorms that begin today and extend into next week. The severe weather risk each day is going to move around the state just a little bit. I'll show you what that looks like. And while this will be some beneficial rainfall for Texas, some areas could start to see some flooding develop by the time we get into the weekend. This is the weather setup due to a series of frontal boundaries and upper level disturbances. We're going to have daily chances of rain and thunderstorms. The coverage of rain in your area is going to vary day to day, and the severe weather risk is going to vary day to day as well. But basically what we're going to see are periods of storminess each day over about the next week. This is a potential rainfall just through Sunday at lunchtime. We will see rain chances extend beyond that, but this is kind of a good first look at our potential rainfall. You'll notice rainfall totals are highest along and east of I-35. In those areas, generally 1 to 3 inches of rain possible. There will be locally higher totals, and some areas will see multiple rounds of heavy rain in just a few days, and that again could lead to some localized flooding, especially by the time we get into the weekend. Let's talk about the severe weather risk. I mentioned the coverage of rain at your home is going to vary day to day. So will the severe weather risk. Today, the severe weather risk peaks at a 2 on a 1 to 5 scale, generally just for North Texas, including the DFW Metroplex north to the Red River. On Thursday, the risk moves to the west as the dry line activates in West Texas. Again, a level 2 out of 5 for parts of the Permian Basin, north to the South Plains and into the Panhandle. And then on Friday, the risk comes back to the east, includes all of North Texas, more of Northwest Texas, like Wichita Falls, more of Central Texas, down through Waco, Temple, and Killeen, and more of East Texas as well. So what this means as the severe weather risk moves around, a few storms will be capable of producing large hail, damaging wind gusts, and there is also the potential for some storms to produce tornadoes. So all modes of severe weather are on the table, and that is something to keep in mind as you are preparing your home and family for this upcoming stretch of storminess. This is what you can do. Make sure you have a trusted local weather source that you can check in with multiple times a day. Make sure your mobile devices are ready to receive severe weather alerts. Double check that storm safety kit and make sure your household has that severe weather plan ready to go. Make sure everyone knows where to go in the event of severe weather. Another way you can prepare your home and family for spring storms is by making sure you're connected with us here at Encore. A great way to do that is to download the My Encore mobile app that's available for Apple and Google devices. Register for My Encore alerts, bookmark our website, and also make sure you're following us on social media platforms. So a stormy stretch of weather for Dallas, Fort Worth, and North Texas. Again, the coverage of rain each day will vary. Also, the days where severe weather is more likely, that's going to vary as well. But generally speaking, we are settling into a very spring-like weather pattern over the next 7 days. Again, stay connected with us. We're going to be sharing more weather and safety information with you on our social media channels.